guys, so good morning here from the West Coast. And for those people that are curious if this is my house, no, this is actually in front of the real estate office right here in the West Coast. Because if you guys follow me on Instagram, Fresco Channel, you guys noticed I put a few pictures of us here at the dock, and everybody was questioning me if I was at my new house. No, I'm not at my new house. Right, look, I wouldn't mind being a realtor working here with this view. Look at that view right there. Right? Well, I guess like you see, it's a little cloudy today. I mean, it's expected because when I checked the weather, I knew it was gonna be cloudy, but I took the chance anyway. And my friends in Miami said it's raining over there. So I guess it's cloudy here, but it's raining over there. And so far so good. I already timed it. If you guys saw the video from the day before, we actually drove behind my future home, and I actually timed myself from the house to actual Sanibel Beach. It took me 45 to 50 minutes because I got hit with the two idle zones, the Miserable Mile and the other the one before north of the Miserable Mile idle zone that I didn't know about the idle zone. I wasn't planning on that. It's no biggie. This is only a weekend thing. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of nice waking up, and definitely slept like a baby. No waves, because if you notice here, it is flat. So we slept really good. And talking about sleeping, they still sleeping. But it's all good though. We're not in a hurry today. We'll see what the day brings us. So keep watching. Yep. And guess what time it is? What time is it? No, not barbecue yet. Early in the morning, guys. Come on, I can't eat sausages early in the morning now. It's breakfast time. And look what Big Mama's making. Bacon. You making bacon?
You're recording me like this?
Yeah, well, this is reality TV. All right, so
reality for you, because I have no hair, but not for me.
What happened?
That you can do that because you have no hair.
Check out that shirt though. Boom. All right, so I'm having some bacon, coffee, and whatever that is over there. And look, the sun came out really bright. It's pretty cool. The temperature here is about 75 degrees, so it feels pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Actually at night it got a little chilly. But all right, so we're gonna have some breakfast, and the kids are still sleeping. And I guess we'll take advantage of the time, you know.
I can't see.
And the beautiful view. Check it out, guys. This is what I call $1 million view. Breakfast on the water. Look at them eggs, boy. Look at them eggs. Look at that toast right there. There's our gourmet breakfast. And look at the bacon. This reminds me when we used to go camping. And we used to do this like in the picnic tables or inside a tent. Now we're actually camping, but on the water, on the boat. So it's pretty cool.
I don't want to.
So if I can, you're ready to get up. right, so we're still here sightseeing. We're gonna go check out a different spot here at Cape Coral. Just came out of the channel and enjoying the beautiful view. And like you see, it cleared up. It cleared up. So we're ready to roll. Wherever the wind takes us, that's where we're going. Now we're actually gonna go check around the waterways and see what they have here, because I haven't been in the waterways. Alright guys, so we're off to explore the Cape Coral waterways. Now hopefully we don't get lost, but this is pretty good. We enjoy this. It's like you driving around during Christmas time and seeing all the lit houses with different Christmas themes, except for there's no Christmas here yet. Here it's just a whole bunch of beautiful homes with a whole bunch of beautiful boats in the back. And we're working our way down south because we're gonna meet up with my good friend Raulito that lives here in Cape Coral. That he's gonna meet us in the channel on his own boat and show us around. And also, a lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions about Cape Coral, but let me get familiar with the area so I can answer them better for you. But something I learned on my own right away was that the houses without bridges, they're a little more expensive than the houses with bridges. But if you're thinking of buying a house that has a bridge, make sure you check the height and make sure the path of the bridge is square, not round. And also, if you're interested in getting a lot, the lots here without bridges start off in the 100s and they could get up to in the high 500s. It all depends on the location that you're looking for. So what do you guys think? Beautiful or what? But I don't know about you guys, but I could spend the whole day driving around looking at beautiful homes and beautiful boats. But now it's time to go ahead back to the channel and meet up with my friend Raulito. And we have reached Miserable Mile, that I'm kind of curious why they call it that, when I think is enjoyable because you get to relax and see all the boats coming by you and everyone waving hi. And to me, that's enjoyable. Maybe when I move here, all the boaters should get together and change the name for something better. What do you think? And there he is, my friend Raulito in his blue Key West, leading the pack, and we're gonna follow him, see where he takes us for the day. Once you go through the Miserable Mile, that actually takes about 20 minutes or less. You could go wide open throttle all the way to the wide open ocean. And that's exactly what we did, because we're heading over to Fort Myers Beach. And that's a great idea, because last time we were here, we didn't have a chance to visit Fort Myers Beach. And after a quick run, we have reached the north point of Fort Myers Beach. But we're not going to go to the beach right away. We're going to cruise through the intercoastal and see what Fort Myers waterways has to offer. And as soon as you start to hit the intercoastal, you're going to notice right away there's a great hangout spot that I already see people there. Now the question is, are the boats allowed to pull up to the sand? Now here's something I consider funny, because a lot of people have been telling me, be careful because Cape Coral is a ghost town, you're not gonna like it. But it makes me think, who's driving all these boats and all these cars? Who are they? Are they ghosts or are they people? Nah, I'm just kidding. Now to me, it looks just like Miami, but with a more relaxing atmosphere. And right now, we're trying to find a spot so we can have lunch. But the question is, where can we find a spot? Because for notice, all the ghosts are taking up the docks. There goes that idea. I guess we're gonna head back outside and maybe do a barbecue at the beach. But wait, what do I see? A ghost pirate ship coming towards us? Everybody hit the deck and hide. Nah, I'm just joking. Well, look at this. They have the same pirate ship at Bayside in Miami. That's pretty cool. And now we're heading over to the beach side to hang out at a very popular hotel here at Fort Myers Beach. And you're gonna notice right away something different that in Miami is not allowed anymore because of so many accidents. Here on the West Coast, they still let you park near the beach so you can actually walk on the sand. Now that's something I like. Plus it gives me an idea. When I come with the dinghy, I could actually go ashore with the dinghy and leave the boat anchor out. Now I'm going to tell you guys a little secret that how cool is this? Raulito was one of my witnesses when I got married 23 years ago, and we haven't really hanged out for the past 16 years. And now I have 3 kids, 2 boys, 1 girl. Now he has 3 kids, 2 girls, 1 boy. How cool is that? And now we're here today at Cape Coral hanging out at the beach. West Coast, and guess what time it is? What time is it? Look, look, look. Look at the time, look at the time. Boom! We're full house today. Full house. Sausage time, full house. On the West Coast. Hanging out at the beach. Pretty cool. And hanging out with some friends from the West Coast. Alright guys, I can't ask for anything better. The day's turning out great because we're here with good friends, good food, having a good time at a great place. And while we enjoy late lunch with some sausages, pork chops with some good friends, we're gonna go ahead and check out and see what everybody's up to here at Fort Myers Beach.
Well, like you see, this is a very popular hangout spot and everybody's having a good time. And it's not even summer yet, and I think these people are very brave because the water temperature is 74 degrees. That is cold for me, and it makes me wonder when summer comes around, how fun can this place be? And also, I met a really cool fan with his cool boat, and some cool jet skiers came by to say hi. And I was really amazed how many people watch the channel on the West Coast. And for those I didn't catch on camera, sorry about that, but I'll be back there real soon. And look at this beautiful West Coast sunset. And like every good story, it has its ending. And we had a great weekend here at the West Coast once again, exploring the waterways and catching up with really good friends and meeting some really good ones. But now it's time to head back to the ramp, back to Miami. And if this is the first time on the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications, and also check out the whole video library. We have over 600 videos of water adventure, family adventure, and good times, so check them out.